Hi and welcome to today's video. For today we're going to be looking at figurative speech. So what is figurative speech? Well, figurative speech is a way of using words that mean more than their basic or literal meaning. It's like using words in a creative and imaginative way to make our communication more interesting and colorful instead of just saying things directly. We use figures of speech like similes, metaphors, and other techniques to create pictures in people's minds and to make our words more powerful and expressive. It helps us to convey emotions and create vivid descriptions and engage our listeners or readers in a deeper way. So, we're going to also be looking at the most common types of figurative speech. So first up, we're going to be looking at a simile. A simile is comparing two things using like or as. For example, her voice is as sweet as honey. A metaphor is equating two things directly without using like or as. For example, time is a thief. Next one is personification. This is where we give human qualities or actions to non-human things. For example, the flowers danced in the wind. A hyperbole. A hyperbole is using extreme exaggeration for emphasis or dramatic effect. Example of a hyperbole: I've told you 1,000,000 times. An idiom. Idioms are expressions or phrases with figurative meanings that differ from their literal interpretation. An example of this is break a leg. That means good luck. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope that you have learned something new. Till next time.